Did you know that starting your day with a nutritious breakfast can significantly boost your metabolism? Try this quick and delightful Greek yogurt parfait that will keep you energized and satisfied throughout the morning. It's as simple as layering ingredients, making it a fun and creative breakfast option. You only need 3 main components: creamy Greek yogurt, your favorite fruits, and crunchy granola. Begin with a cup of Greek yogurt at the bottom of your glass. This protein-packed base helps build muscle and keeps you feeling full for longer, making it an excellent choice for weight management. Next, add a layer of fresh fruits like berries, bananas, or kiwi for natural sweetness and essential vitamins. These fruits are rich in antioxidants, which are fantastic for your immune system and overall health. Finally, sprinkle a generous amount of granola on top for that satisfying crunch and added fiber. Imagine digging into a colorful, layered breakfast that not only tastes amazing, but also delivers a powerful nutrient punch. This parfait is perfect for busy mornings or as a midday snack. Would you try this? Share your favorite toppings below, or let us know how you elevate your yogurt game.